Happy weekend, everyone. Morning. I've got up early today because me and Sean are going to shoot over to Lakeside later on. I'm presuming the centre's not open, and I wasn't going to be going in there anyway. I only like going to the retail outlet, the business park, but you know, the furniture side, IKEA, Home Bargains, The Range, those type of places. So we're going to shoot over there today. It's all in one place, so it's nice that we ain't got to go to different areas, different shops. Anyhow, so I'm up early, got myself an orange juice with I've made myself an omelette to keep me going for the day, because I could imagine we'll be out most of the day. The orange juice I've got is from the Aldi's. It's really nice. If you like orange juice with bits in, I'll recommend this one. It's about £1, £1.10, something like that. It's really nice orange juice. And I've made myself an omelette, as I said. It looks a bit of it looks a bit of a mess, but I'm going to show you. It tastes nice. It all fell apart as I was trying to get it out of the pan, even though I did put the plate on top of the pan and tip it like that. No, it didn't have it, and I think it's because the bottom got caught, burned a little bit. Anyway, so we're going over there, but just quickly, this is just literally a 10-minute video, and then which I'm going to upload this morning if I can. So it'll be part one of my shopping trip today, because I would imagine that the next one's going to be a long one. But just quickly, one of the someone who subscribed to my channel, and thank you so much, mentioned what a nice kitchen we had. And what I want to ask you guys is, if anyone's interested, I'll do a walk around of my house, right? Just to show you what a bad job these builders have done to my house. Now, we bought this house when it was completely renovated. So a year ago, we were moving and looking about, and we came across this house. And on the surface, when you come in, you thought, oh my God, it's absolutely lovely. But underneath, they have done such a terrible job. Now, this house was an old couple, very elderly old couple in their 90s, and both of them passed away. I'm presuming it went to probate or whatever. And it obviously got sold, but I think it was an old farmhouse, because we live out in the country. There's lots of farms around here. And I think years and years and years ago, before they started building up the area, I think it was an old farmhouse. I don't know, but anyway. So it's a nice house. It's not massive. I mean, it's only two of us. That suits us fine. And with this house came with a great big enormous garden. We're on a corner, so we're like a corner plot. So what the builders have done, they've bought this house, and half of the garden they've converted into another house and another garden, right? The house next door, what they're building now, it's up, it's all up, and they're just doing the inside of it now. And if anyone's interested, I can take you outside and, you know, show you, but not right this minute. And I'd be very sorry for the people who move in there, because they have done such a bad job in this house, and they're the same builders who are doing that one. So when we came in here and we had a look around, and yeah, we liked it, and obviously we bought it. We then, over the period of a year being here, and I'm still upgrading this house, have had to do work on it. The kitchen behind me, we had to practically have it completely refitted again. In one of these, and as I say, I will do like a snagging kind of tour on the house, and I'll show you what I mean. In here is one of those pull-out cupboards. The whole thing came off the hinges, collapsed on the floor. Well, it actually didn't collapse on the floor, it actually collapsed on my mother. The fridge freezer, which is also built in here, the doors don't even shut properly, so that's got to be redone again. The doors around the kitchen as well, they all had to be refitted. We've had a leak where they haven't sealed the roof properly. Some of the doors are not hung properly. The floor is all moving, coming up there where they haven't made the floor properly. Honestly, I could walk around and tell you now, if I'd known that beforehand, I would have definitely said to the builders, not that I know anything about building, or the bloke who obviously owned the property, to knock money off, because honestly, it's absolutely horrendous. I reckon we've spent another 10 grand on trying to get this right in here. Anyway, and that's over the course of the year. You know, we can't afford to spend that kind of money. When you buy houses, they're a lot of money. And so yeah, if you're all interested, I'll do a little kind of tour as like a snagging list, and I'll show you. I wish I knew I don't know the names of the builders, because I would definitely give them a bad review. Definitely, 100%. Honestly, it's terrible. And the house next door, even we look through the windows where they lay on the floor, they lay on parquet floor, sorry, and it looks beautiful. But when Sean was having a look how they were doing it, all they've done, now again, I don't know nothing about stuff like this, they have laid it on just cement. There's nothing underneath it. So I think Sean said you have to lay some stuff down first and then put the floor on the top. Well, they haven't done that. So the whole of the floor that's all cemented, they've put the floor on the top. So whoever buys that house, you know, I really think it's unfair what they've done around there, because they're going to have problems, definitely. But anyway, that's for another day. So back to being to IKEA again, and the range and Home Bargains. That's where we're going to go. So this is only my short video for this morning, and then I do a little trip down there. Might not take you with me, because I think I won't be able to concentrate. You know, you've seen my videos now. I'm just, yeah, I'm all over the place, so I can't do that. But I'm going to do, and then tomorrow, sorry, I'm going to get, I've got Jamie, what's his name? No, not Jamie Oliver, James Martin in the background, because I love Saturday morning watching him, and I've got him in the background, if you can hear that. So yeah, we're going to shoot over there, and then I'll do the part 2 of this video. I'll probably upload that one tomorrow, because I'm presuming I'm going to get some, hopefully if all the things are open, what I want to get. So we'll do a little haul, but we'll upload that tomorrow as part of this one. So part 1 today, which is just a short video, and then part 2 tomorrow. All right. So on that note, guys, I'm going to finish my breakfast. Have a lovely day, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. All right. Bye for now. Ciao.